In this video, I'm going to show you how to write and use prompts within NotebookLM to efficiently interact with your documents. To get started, I'll head over to the top right and click on Create New to open up a fresh project. As the notebook loads, I'm prompted to add my sources, so I'll click on Upload Files and select a PDF overview from my documents. While the file processes, you'll notice that NotebookLM begins to organize the information and even generates a relevant title for the workspace. I'll start by using one of the suggested prompts provided at the bottom, clicking on the option to explore how different professionals use AI. The system immediately begins analyzing the material to categorize the information for me. It's helpful to see how it identifies specific groups like business owners and content creators. Now, I want to try a custom prompt, so I'll move down to the chat bar and type in Summarize the PDF. I'll hit the send icon and watch as the AI goes through several stages of analysis, from scanning the sources to composing the final response. It provides a comprehensive breakdown of the key features, including information retrieval and multimedia options. This is a perfect way to turn long documents into actionable insights and study materials in just a few clicks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.